ways to ensure quality standards before the cars get listed.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go and dive in to improve the ride experience for everyone.
Without further design, this is my partner.
Miranda Angie.
In today's video, we're tackling a crucial topic for any organization striving for excellence. Welcome to the future of vehicle maintenance. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your vehicle in top shape is more important than ever. Introducing the Vehicle Health Tracking System, your ultimate companion for ensuring the vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently.
So what exactly is a vehicle health tracking system? It's an advanced technology that monitors the performance and conditions of your vehicle in real time. Using a combination of sensors, software, and data analytics, this system provides you with crucial information about your vehicle's health, including engine performance, tire pressure, battery status, and more.
Is your fleet being held back by unexpected breakdowns? Are you struggling to understand the mountain of data coming from your vehicle health tracking system? You're not alone. While VHTS promises to revolutionize vehicle maintenance, too often it's underutilized due to inadequate training. In this video, we will show you 4 solutions where you can make your training to vehicle health tracking system efficient and get the most out of it.
For the first solution, tailor training to specific roles. A one-size-fits-all approach simply won't cut it. Drivers need to understand how to interpret basic alerts and report issues. Mechanics requires in-depth knowledge for diagnostic and repairs. And fleet managers need to leverage the data for strategic decision-making, optimizing routes, and reducing downtimes.
Step 2. Hands-on practical exercises. Theory is important, but nothing beats real-world experience. Set up stimulated scenarios where trainees can diagnose problems using the VHTS data.
Step 3. Use real-world case studies. Don't just teach the features. Show how the vehicle health tracking system has solved real problems.
Step 4. Ongoing training and refresher courses. Ongoing training sessions should be available to help keep workers updated with the latest technologies and techniques. Schedule regular refreshers to reinforce key concepts, introduce new features, and address any emerging issues. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in a vehicle health tracking system today and take control of your vehicle health.